Morning students, welcome to class 9th. So here start number system, first chapter math, first chapter class 9th, first chapter is number system. So I start first chapter number system. Number system. Earlier classes you already read or study first number system. In number system, in that is you first read natural number, whole number, integers, rational, irrational. Already you learned in previous classes, so I again repeat. So first natural number. Natural number. Natural number is denoted by n. And right definition. Right definition. Counting number is called natural number. Already you study in class 8. Counting number is called natural number and it is denoted by n. So n is counting number and counting number is starting from 1. So n is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. So natural number, that is counting number. Suppose draw diagram. This circle is the set of all natural numbers. It is denoted by n. That is numbers in this side 1, 2, 3 and so on. All natural numbers lie in this circle. Second is whole number. Whole number is denoted by W. Right definition. Whole number, that is a natural number including 0, is called whole number. Once repeat, natural number including 0 are called whole number. So natural number including 0, that is W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. So this is a whole number. And since every whole number is a natural number, not true, because 0 is not a natural number. But every natural number is a whole number. These all are natural number. So the space of whole number is big from natural number. One element extra. 0 is the extra element between natural number and whole number. So every natural number is a whole number, but converse not necessary true. So space of whole number big from natural number. This is the space of whole number. So whole number, that is all natural number including 0. So 1 is the extra element in whole number. Already 1, 2, 3 lie in W, lie inside W. So all natural number is a whole number, but all whole number is not a natural number, because 0 is a whole number, but 0 is not a natural number. Next, integer. Integer is denoted by I or Z. I or Z. This is the simple form. that is short form denoted by I or Z, integer. So integer is definition, right? Definition of integer. Integer, that is whole number including negative natural number. Once again repeat, right definition. Integer, that is whole number including negative of natural number, is called integer. That is Z is equal to whole number. Whole number means 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, including negative of natural number. This is a natural number. So negative of natural number, that is -1, -2, -3 and so on. So negative natural number, that is -1, -2, -3 and so on. So integer is the set of whole number and this is the negative of natural number, and this is a whole number. This is a whole number and this one is negative natural number. Negative natural number and whole number. So integer is the set of whole number and negative natural number. It is denoted by Z. So every whole number is also integer. All whole number is an integer. So space of integer big from whole number. This is the space of integer denoted by I or Z. Suppose Z. So all natural number is integer. All whole number also integer. Next, rational number or real number. Real number I know. So first rational number. Rational number. Rational number, right definition, a number which is the form of P by Q, where P and Q both are integers and Q not is equal to 0 and P and Q having no common factor other than 1. It is denoted by rational number Q, set of rational number. Suppose rational number definition is a number which is the form of P by Q, where Q not is equal to 0, Q not is equal to 0 and P and Q both are integers. Both are integers. P and Q both are integers and P and Q having no common factor other than 1. So this is called a rational number. So for example, first taking any natural number, 3. 3 is a natural number. This natural number can return 3 by 1. So this is the form of P by Q, where P is equal to 3 and Q is equal to 1. So this is the form of P by Q. So it is called a rational number. So every natural number is called a rational number. Next, whole number. This is a natural number and every natural number is a rational number also. One element extra, 0. This 0 can return 0 by 1. This also the form of P by Q. Here P is equal to 0. Condition is Q not is equal to 0. P may be 0. So P is equal to 0 and Q is equal to 1. So this is the form of P by Q. So 0 is also a rational number. And taking integer, suppose -2, this -2 can written -2 by 1. It is also a form of P by Q, where P is equal to -2 and Q is equal to 1. So every integer, that is negative integer or positive integer, every integer is also a rational number. So all these three numbers, natural number is a rational number, whole number is a rational number, integers also a rational number. So the space of rational number is big from the integer. So this is the space of rational number. Suppose Q, rational number denoted by Q. Next, equivalent rational number. Equivalent rational number. Equivalent rational number means two rational numbers or more than two rational numbers, their numerical value be same. For example, 1 by 2 is a rational number. This 1 by 2 can written 2 by 4. 2 by 4, if simplify, we get 1 by 2. Or this 1 by 2 can written 3 by 6. If simplify, we get 1 by 2. Similarly, is equal to 4 by 8 is equal to 5 by 10. All are equal. All are equal. So these rational numbers are called equivalent rational number. So here 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6, 4 by 8, 5 by 10 and so on are called equivalent rational number. Equivalent rational number. Clear? Equivalent rational number. Next, real number. Real number denoted by R. Real number. Right definition. A number. Right definition of real number. A number whose square is non-negative. Once again repeat. A number whose square is non-negative is called real number and it is denoted by R. So check that. First take any natural number. Suppose 5 is a natural number. Check that this 5 is a real number or not. Other definition also real number. That other definition. That other definition of real number. So a number which is either rational or irrational, but you don't know irrational number, so I discuss next time. So first definition is a real number, that is a number whose square is non-negative. So taking any natural number 5 and check that square of this number is negative or not. So 5, a square of 5 is equal to 25, which is positive, which is not negative, which is not negative. That is, which is a positive number, that is not negative. So 5 is a real number. Next, -7. Check that -7 is a real or not. So for real checking, find the square of this number. So a square of -7, that is -7 square. this equal to minus 7 into minus 7, and minus 7 into minus 7 is equal to 49. Minus into minus plus. Here minus into minus becomes plus, and plus into plus also becomes plus, and plus into minus becomes minus, or minus into plus is equal to minus. Already you know. So here minus into minus becomes plus, and 7 into 7 49. This 49 is also non-negative. So minus 7 is a real number. You check other number. Suppose minus 3 by 2. Since it's a square of minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2 square of minus 3 by 2. Check that minus 3 by 2 is real or not. So find the square of this number. So minus 3 by 2 whole square is equal to 9 by 4, and 9 by 4 is a non-negative number. So minus 3 by 2 is also a real number. Check that root 5 is a real number or not. So find its square. So root 5 whole square means root 5 into root 5, that is multiply in 2 times, and the root 5 into root 5 is equal to root 25, and square root of 25 is equal to 5, which is non-negative. So root 5 is also a real number. So all are real number. Different I taking examples, all are real numbers. So every rational number, this is a rational number. So every rational number is a real number. That is, every whole number is a real, every integer is a real, every natural number is a real number. So a space of real number is big from rational number. This is the R, real number, big from rational number. So complete these examples, equivalent natural number. And next at co-prime. Co-prime. Co-prime numbers. Co-prime. The definition of co-prime. So two numbers whose HCF be equal to 1 is called co-prime number. Two number, common factor between that two number be equal to 1, then that two number is called a co-prime. Suppose check that 3 and 5. So two number 3 and 5, check that co-prime or not. So for checking co-prime, find its HCF. So HCF 3 and 5, that is highest common factor between 3 and 5, is equal to 1. HCF of 3 and 5, HCF of 3 and 5 is equal to 1. So 3 and 5 are called co-prime number. Suppose 10 and 5. So HCF of 10 and 5, that is highest common factor between 10 and 5, is equal to 5. So 10 and 5 is not a co-prime number. Not co-prime. This is co-prime. This is not co-prime. Suppose 25 and 2 also not co-prime, because their HCF, sorry, this is a co-prime because their HCF is equal to 1. This also a co-prime. because HCF of 25 and 2 is equal to 1. So this is a co-prime. Now example number or previous example, write formula. A rational number between A and B is equal to A plus B by 2. This is the formula. A rational number between A and B is equal to A plus B by 2. So now start example number, or check that example number 1. Example 1 is, are the following statement true or false? Give reason for your answer. First, every whole number is a natural number. Every whole number is a natural number. This is false statement, because 0 is a whole number but it is not a natural number. Every integer is a rational number. It is true, because every integer is a rational, already discussed. Every rational number is an integer. No, false, because integer is the set of whole number and including negative natural number. But rational is the form of p by q, that is fractional form also. So every rational number is not an integer. Example number 2, find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. Find